Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Jurassic World update. Oh my god, I am so excited to be here. We streamed this ride a couple years ago. I'm with Aunt Party here. Hello. And man, we have watched this ride on stream millions of times. And we have been very critical of the updates and whatnot, but I'm hyped to see them in person. I think this ride's in a good state right now. Let's go ahead and check it out together. I love my team. Thanks for chilling with us. Hands up. About to get started here with the second boat, so we'll take a quick moment. It's gonna be great. Everyone says hi, Aunt Party. That's nice. Yahoo! All right, here we go. Ooh, front row too. We get our own row. Let's get it. May 2021. Jurassic World update. Let's go. Oh, and Nintendo World over there. Nintendo World. Nintendo World's being made. Ooh. Ah. Big changes.
Apex predator of the deep. You are clear for entry.
Thanks. Well, this is. Oh man. Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay. Okay, actually, first impression, this looks significantly more impressive in person. This looks 1,000 times cooler in person. This is palatial. I've been critical of this room, but it looks way better in person. Whoa! Woo! I still love animatronics, but this is a lot better than I thought. Good stuff. Big boy. You don't need to eat a dolphin. Be nice to dolphins. Yo, what's up, Gubera? True. Let's go. Wow. This looks shockingly better in person. Oh, we're about to get wet. We're about to get misted on. Ooh. Big boy. Yo. Alright, now you cannot see the parking structure at any point. Nice. Good work. Back to a little more normal. That screen room is crazy. That looks really big in person. That looks actually pretty great. Secret?
Where plant-eating dinosaurs roam freely. Keep an eye out for the Parasaurolophus who likes to splash around in the water. You may even see our new baby Stegosaurus, one of the latest additions to our Jurassic World family.
Wow! Whoa! Big water. Nice, he's looking great. He's looking great. We got our boy to the left. Ooh, we're getting heavily misted on. Heavily misted on cold water. He is not moving, his eyes aren't blinking. That is okay, he's fine, he's sleeping. He's taking a nap, don't worry about it. He's good, he's good. He's taking a nap, he's fine. Alright, now my biggest jump scare of all time coming in hot. Compressed air jump scare. You can see some. Alright. Oh god, jeez, god. I know it's coming every time and it gets me. I'm terrified of compressed air. But you're looking good, dude. You're looking good, man. Ah! Dun, 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 dun. Uh-oh. My favorite boys! The guys who used to fight over popcorn. Yay! Yeah! I'm so excited to be here. Oh my god, dude. There's wrestling. Ooh. Oh my god, this is so exciting. Ooh.
This is Claire, dear. Please remain calm. We have assets out of containment and health.
Uh-oh, the Indominus Rex.
In the meantime, please.
Here he comes.
They will get you.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. Dun, dun, dun. The big boy. The big boy. Is he stuck? Oh no, his eyes are moving. His eyes are moving. Ooh. Ooh. Indominus Rex. We're stuck. How do we get... Oh, if we get stuck on the ride live, I'm not even gonna be mad. We get to stare at this bad boy. As long as he don't eat us.
It goes 32 miles an hour.
Yeah, dude, this guy can zoom. Alright, we're good. Whoa! Holy cow. Alright. Here we go! Woohoo!
Now! Turn on, am I on? Is this on? Listen to me, do not panic. If you can see me, I need you to keep your hands inside the boat. The slightest movement will set these animals off.
Big boy. Yeah, baby! Woohoo! Oh, jeez! Oh, that's cold. That's cold! That's cold! It's dark and cold. There, boy. There's the boy. There's the boy. Ah! Now, here's the crazy stuff. Here's the crazy stuff. It's a little dark. So we have a walking animatronic coming in over here. There's one here. Walking guy. Huge update. He's walking. Brother. Here's the crazy one. Here's the crazy one. There's a thing up. It's broken. It's broken. It's broken. There's a giant curtain. The massive Indominus Rex animatronic that they struggled with for the past year is broken. That's crazy. Please give us the big boy. The T-Rex at least. Give us the T-Rex at least. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Man. No way! Oh, good stuff. Well, hey, dude, everything else looks great, but the one thing they struggled with was broken. That's crazy. Well, hey, they'll figure it out. They'll figure it out.
What was broken?
Do you see that giant sheet that was up?
Yeah,
That was covering. No. There's a whole nother one that's double the size, and he walks at your boat, and he's huge. They're struggling with him because he's so massive. It's like too much of an undertaking for, I don't know, animatronics technology. Either way, really cool. Yeah. Well, there's two now. So yeah, there's another one. Either way, yo, team, I appreciate you a lot. We might have a Disco Rex on our hand, and I love it. Team, thank you so much for chilling. We love Jurassic Park. Yeah!